Hello friends, in this video I will be doing a maintenance on this chainsaw. I was asked by my neighbor if I could do the maintenance for him. It will have to be sharpened. As you can see here, it is quite dull and it was neglected. Here it's quite dirty. It should run, yeah. So I will be cleaning it up first, and then I will be sharpening the blade. So let's get to it. First of all, I will be removing the chain. Because it is dirty, I will have to soak it. Have a look. There is some wire here. So previously I wanted to sharpen the old chain, but when I was working on it I saw a lot of damage
this rail, and also the chain is pretty worn out, so I decided to change it, and I have bought a new one. I will keep this one as a spare and probably later on try to sharpen it, but it's nearly at the end of the life cycle. Some of the teeth are already at the minimum. The blade is, you see, there are grooves. The chain, these are not square. If the chain is there, then see there is a significant groove, and it, you know, it's the groove is also pretty worn out, so I decided to change it. I went out and bought a new set. It's the chain, blade, so that will be what I'll be putting in. So when you put on the chain, make sure that the teeth are facing towards. Okay, so put on the cover. So the tension should be like, it should not be pretty tight, but it should not be loose, so something like similar like this. Pull it and it returns back. Okay, so before you tighten it, what I like to do is pick the nose up a bit, because when you use the chain and you press, it will move there anyway, so just pick it up so it hits the upper limit, and then adjust the tension, which we already did, right? So see, pick it up and then tighten it. Tension should be okay. It's not too tight. There is still a bit fuel there, so we can test it out. But there is no oil, so I need to add oil there. So, okay. I put the oil, especially for this. Works.